eliminated the middlemen, and we want the small farmers to मतलब directly वो लोगों के साथ उनका हो interaction हो. So from B to B we have switched to B to C.
I follow seasons because organic by definition is seasonal. So I make fresh portion cheese. My products, I call them les Denis de Narma, so there's a definite French touch. I buy all ingredients almost here. Every Saturday I come here with 3 bags, I go back with 5, 6.
नाम से हैं। मैं इस मार्केट में पिछले तकरीबन 10 से 12 साल से रेगुलरली आता हूं। क्योंकि हम लोग खुद हुंजा में हर कोई अपना ज़मींदारा काम करता है। मैं जितना प्रोड्यूस अपना करता हूं, इसी हिसाब से मैं अपने सारे फैमिली के और लोग हैं, गांव के लोग हैं, मोहल्ले के लोग हैं, उन तमाम को इन्वॉल्व किया हुआ है।
Raw honey is a premium product, and in the bulk market there are a lot of players that have substandard product. So it's easier to buy from there, but somebody like us, we have a small setup, we have limited produce, we have small batches. So of course that comes at a higher cost. And the farmers market is actually a good place for us to showcase our product, let the people try it, test it, and then decide if they want to buy it or not.
I'm representing Guy Knows Food. We've been here at the farmers market for about a year now. It has been a wonderful year. I think we have garnered major success since we've come here. We've seen a major boost in sales, and we also have a great time each week.
I've been coming to the farmers market since it started, and I honestly really love it here. It's a great outlet for a lot of people who have, been growing organic stuff in their homes to come sell. Also, some of them come from places like Hunza or northern areas and straight, to our kitchens. So it's a great place to get your weekly groceries.